Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that every designer faced in their life. Confidence. Whether you just starting out or have been in the game for years, self-doubt can creep in. I've been working as a UX designer for 15 years and I also had these struggles. But here is the good news. Confidence is the skill that you can build over time. Now I will give you 6 useful tips that helped me to gain confidence as a designer. Start small and celebrate every win, no matter how tiny. Confidence comes from the repetition of small successes. When you are working on a big project, break it down into manageable tasks. Completing each of these small tasks gives you momentum. Each completed step, whether it's creating a mood board or finishing a logo concept, brings you one step closer to the bigger goal. Celebrate those moments. It's all progress. The next important tip is to embrace feedback. One of the biggest confidence boosters is learning how to accept and grow from a constructive criticism. Instead of fearing feedback, see it as an opportunity to improve. The key here is to understand that feedback is not about tearing your work apart. It's about helping you refine and get better. Every critique makes you a more skilled designer, so use it to your advantage. Tip number 3. Be kind to yourself. Design is subjective and not every project is going to be perfect. Understand that mistakes are part of the process, not the reflection of your worth. Self-compassion is critical to building confidence. If a design doesn't turn out how you envisioned it, don't beat yourself up. Learn from it and move on, because each failure is a stepping stone to success. The next tip is to never stop learning. The more skills you have, the more confident you become. I repeat it all the time. Learning new design software, studying color theory, or diving deeper into user experience design, everything sharpens your craft. The design industry is always evolving, so learning new tools and skills not only boosts your confidence, but also opens up more possibilities. Tip number 5. Find your unique style and own it. Confidence often comes knowing who you are as a designer. When you embrace your own style, you are no longer trying to imitate others. You are expressing your own vision, which is incredibly empowering. Finally, surround yourself with a positive support system. It could be fellow designers, mentors, or creative community. Having people who encourage and inspire you can make a huge difference. Building confidence doesn't happen in isolation. When you are a part of a positive environment, it's easier to believe in yourself and in your work. Another benefit of working alongside other designers is constant learning. So there you have it, 6 tips to help you build confidence as a designer. Remember, confidence isn't something that appears overnight. It's built through consistent practice, learning, and self-reflection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. What helped you to build confidence as a designer? Please share your tips in the comments. Thanks for watching and keep creating!